Danke bafethu, welcome back to Mkhulu Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Gaston Serino simbonile bengekho bafethu, but-ke indaba ezi-right ukuthi suspension yakhe obviously iphelile, uzoba available against iZamalek this weekend njengoba bazodlala igame enkulu kangaka. iZamalek ishilo ukuthi ifuna ukuwina i-competition, but ngifuna ukuqala lana bafethu ngoKevin Johnson, ucoach laphana mekhuluma ngoGaston Serino uthi iKaizer Chiefs ayikakaniki uGaston Serino ama-chances amaningi laphana ukuthi adlale njengoba i-contract yakhe izophela. So let me just quote him direct. Uthi uGaston Serino akakatholi ama-chances, uthi azange athola ama-chance ukuthi yena mcoach uGaston Serino wafika after yena sehambile laphana uKaizer Chiefs. Uthi akazi ukuthi uGaston Serino usenze enough na lapha ku-Chiefs, at the same time uthi akazi ukuthi bamnike ama-opportunities amaningi. So la uchaza ukuthi nje akazi ukuthi uGaston Serino wenze enough ukuthi yena bamnike i-contract entsha because i-contract yakhe iyaphela, or ama-chances abamnike because siyazi ukuthi isikhathi esiningi uqala from the bench. uSerino unama-moments wakhe, to be honest bafethu, unama-moments wakhe la azokudlalela ibhola elihle kakhulu, futhi-ke when is close to ipali uyalishaya i-target. So unama-moments wakhe amahle, beautiful moments that awa-create-ile ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if maybe disturbed by ukugeja ama-penalty njengoba, because there was a moment la uye wageja i-penalty, next game lathathwa noLilepo bambamba, babanjwa bobawu-2. Ukuthi into eyam-discourage nanokuthi bekwenzakalani behind the scenes since isikhathi esiningi eqala nje ebhentshini, athola lawo ma-last few minutes if uyangena, but kubonakala ngathi umuntu they don't have a plan around yena. So njengoba lokhu adlala nje athola lawo ma-few minutes kuphela, kusho ukuthi they have to plan i-future without yena, meaning that ama-chances okuthi ba-renew i-contract yakhe mancane. Siyazi ukuthi uzokuproducela, I mean, he scored one of the best goals of the season, maba square ibhola licross alishaya same time, a beautiful goal. So unawo ama-moments wakhe, but enough now ukuthi amnike i-contract entsha laphana ku-Chiefs. uKevin Johnson uthi kumele sikhumbule ukuthi laphana ku-Sundowns beka-big player because of bebamnika ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale, yabo. So uba i-big player vele, I think i-confidence ibuya from the fact that you get opportunities to play, but if you don't get opportunities to play, then they won't see you. So uSerino maybe beka-deserve more game time ukuthi i-confidence yakhe ibuye, afile ngathi is more valued ethimini, noma into vele embulala nayo i-confidence ukuthi vele uyazi ukuthi udlala sometimes laphana. Asazi, we can only speculate because asazi ukuthi yena ne-team bakhulumisana kanjani, no-coach bakhulumisana kanjani, because siyazi ukuthi special talent, but kunama-moments la afuna ukudlalela yena yedwa angaphasi, afuna ukugijima nebhola. I remember even the last game he played, wagijima nebhola suka nalo le-center, but what we all know is a good pass of the ball. Uyakwazi ukushutha, ukushaya amagoli amahle, maningi kakhulu ama-qualities wakhe lo muntu lo, mefuna ukudlala, but kunama-moments la angafuni ukudlala. Naye ucollecta ama-yellow card unnecessary, lento le bengikhuluma ngayo izolo. There's no way uplane around umuntu owazi ukuthi uyohlezi aba-suspended, na last season beka-suspended, na this season useka-suspended. ICAF iqeda ukuqala, ICAF udlala ama-game, futhi nakhona akaqalanga negame eyodwa ku-CAF, if angilenzi iphutha ngithi bafowethu, because ungene ngama-last minute wonke, uthola ama-yellow card 90 something minutes, 89 minutes. If you senior player team nawe uyenzi leyo nto leyo. Asivale ngolona ngoKevin Johnson lana bafethu, uthi whether I deserve i-contract or not, uthi kudependa kubo coach laphana ku-Chiefs, but uthi for yena uSerino wayeyi-good player laphana ku-Sundowns, uthi even namanje usaseyi-good player. uCoach Nabi uye bekhuluma ne-management laphana ukuthi uSerino imnike i-extension, but uCoach Nabi wahamba laphana ku-Chiefs. So kuyi-decision yalaba abakhona abafuna ukuthi, and nabo kumele kubonakale ukuthi okay, are they part of i-future ye-Chiefs, or babambe nje okwamanje until isizini iphela kuphela, bazozama ucoach omusha, bona they don't see i-future labo coaches laba, noma bangathi iplayer liso alihlale, but-ke uthi lihlale ngamagama athini, because wena awunayo lese i-future ethimini. Njengoba available nge-weekend uSerino bazomdlalisa na? That's the question. Bazomdlalisa against le team le iZamalek. I think njengoba i-Chiefs iluze against Al-Masry, iZamalek more aggressive, but ama-game ayahluka, like mawudlala e-home maybe uba inspired, ukwazi ukuphusha, ukwazi ukuwina ama-games. Yeah, sazi ukuthi bazomdlala. Do you guys think ukuthi uyadeserve ukudlala kuleya game le nkulu kangaka? Confidence yakhe izoba at the peak, umuntu ongakwazi ukusiza i-team na? I guess just solinda sibone igame ukuthi izohamba kanjani. Yusuf Maart, captain or former captain ye-Chiefs, uyaqhubeka even nalena overseas ukhuluma nange-Chiefs, bem-interviewer laphana, uthi yena bedlalela i-biggest team e-South Africa, which is i-Kaizer Chiefs. No, ukhuluma iqiniso, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-big team, whether even through i-success yabo or not being successful in recent years, but-ke ayikaze yabonakala ngathi iyaxega. It's always been the biggest team in the country. I think will remain the biggest team in the country for years and years to come, unless something changes, maybe after lifetime yethu or generations pass, if maybe ayenzi kahle. But yeah, I think abantu, they are connected to Chiefs because of the culture. But the most important thing, what connects abantu in the team, a winning mentality. If they drop that thing for isikhathi eside, and then kuzoba ne-problem. But abantu bayayithanda i-Chiefs naturally. So it is a big team, because into eyenza ukuthi ibe i-big team, obviously history yabo, but i-history yabo ukuthi ba ama-winners, beba ama-champions wama-cup amaningi. They are the most successful team ebholeni lase-South Africa, or in history of South African football. For how long? And then, okay, yeah, ilo kufana, let's say amanye ama-teams ayawina, but when you don't have a fan base on the ground, that's the king of the problem. Nothing will change ukuthi Chiefs ingabi biggest team in South Africa. Iplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs elikuloni laphana eBotswana, bafethu uXolani Xhosa, umfana laphana bedlala ku-DDC team, walimala laphana, kwathuka abantu melimala ekhanda because wathathwa i-ambulance waya esibhedlela. Indaba ezinhle ukuthi ukwazile ukudlala i-game izolo, so nge-weekend la badraw khona nili simbonile laphana umfana egroundini, ubuyile umfana odlala ngo-left lona. So indaba ezinhle, because yeah, amanye ama-injuries ayathusa, but kuyabonakala ukuthi umfana ayim-affectanga that much i-injury yakhe. So congratulations, noma ngathi siyambongela ukuthi ukwazile ukubuya egamini, because ezinye izinto ziya-affecta, zigcine sezi-affecta ama-player kakhulu. So yeah man, I don't wish i-injury for abafana abancane abasazama ukuzakhela igama ku-professional setup ukuthi bavele balimale. But yeah man, siyambongela ukuthi umfana ukwazile ukubuya. Sithemba ukuthi uzoba nesikhathi esi-right laphana eBotswana, ukuthi ngelinye ilanga mebabuye ku-Chiefs. But-ke asazi ukuthi uzobuya or ngeke asabuya, ngoba mebuya kumele aye ku-first team, ukuthi isikhala sakhe sikhona lapha ku-first team or asikho, asazi bafowethu. Eyinkulu kakhulu bafethu, indaba eyinkulu, Kaizer Chiefs isenkingeni bafowethu, senkingeni, king of the problem. Asazi ukuthi icala liyogcina bazothathana abayisana ema-court, but-ke o-City Press bafowethu namanye ama-publications, abo-News24 baripota ukuthi kune-dispute, umuntu wasePitori ona-36 bafowethu, indoda yasePitori, noma ubaba noma ngithi ubhuti, ulo ustepe forward asho ukuthi ubabakhe wayenama-shares 50% laphana ku-Chiefs. Cabanga uthi original ama-stakes abelong, obvious ubabakhe akasekho emhlabeni, but-ke kuthiwa i-Chiefs ibavalele ngaphandle bona ezumndeni for ama-earnings, utshela i-City Press, noma i-City Press isho kanjalo. Sazi ukuthi lecala lizohamba lihambe lize ligcine kuphi, because of abaphethe laphana ku-Chiefs siyazi ukuthi abakwaMtaung. There were times la kuthiwa i-Chiefs yathengiselwa ngazi obani, how many percent, baphinde bawathenga back lawo ma-shares, because of Mtaung family beyifuna uku-owna, ukuba in control of i-Chiefs, or amalokhu njani, babe in control of close to like, babe majority shareholders yale team le. And we've seen how they've grown in terms of like generating imali serious. That is why maybe nabanye abantu they coming forward manje ukuthi basho ukuthi hey, nathi sine-claim kule team lena, ubabami waye-owner, waye-part of ama-shareholders. But we've seen something like this before, even kwamanye ama-team, but-ke abantu bagcina ngokukhuluma into yakhona iphelele emoyeni. If umuntu uthi
ubabakhe une-claim ku-Chiefs kwasha kwacima, kumele-ke aze-forward angithi and then ne-evidence e-serious. And then izinto zakudala, if it's been years and years and years, izinto zakudala you can't even track things back, cause if uzothi ubabakho wayenama-shares ngo-1990 or ngo-1990 bani, ama-records aphi, i-proof kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi uthole i-proof, to be honest. But siyasithemba ukuthi icala li-legit, hhayi ukuthi umuntu uyadlala nje or ufuna i-attention, cause ziningi izinto ezinganika abantu i-attention esingayidingi, cause of you can't just claim, cause I even saw i-claim ye-Pirates, omunye we-Orlando Pirates, omunye bethi i-Orlando Pirates yena unama-shares. Baningi abantu abavele basho lezi zinto lezi. Esithemba ukuthi yinto nje abazokwazi ukuyisolva laphana bafowethu. Yeah, cause ezinye izinto yeah, abantu bavele bathatha ama-chance. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje bafowethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure bafowethu ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.